I want to show you how I did scalp NZUSD yesterday. As usual, my analysis very simple, guys. And I did document my entries. So this was before when I gave the signal to my public. It was a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1. So you can see right here, February 8th, and today is 9th. Once again, zoom right here, February 8th, and today is 9th. I told them your quick scalp, and we was in. So let me just take you back and explain what I saw and the reason why I call in for a scalp. And remember, I'm a swing trader, but this time I call in for scalp, and I say this is a risk reward ratio of 1 to 1. So let me take you back. Okay, now on this trade from the daily perspective, yeah, I realized that kind of the market played around this level for a while. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. This zone, price has been playing around that zone for a while, and now I saw probably this market has the potential of respecting this level and reversing to go all the way up. This is what I'm talking about right here, and respecting this level and shoot all the way up. So this is the case. Now if you kind of seen that might be an inverse head and shoulder, but that is another topic of next time. So this is what I'm talking about. You see something like this, but I never wanted to hold this buy position simply because we had this level. So it was a quick scalp, and I wanted price, to maybe reach this level, and that is when, if it breaks something like this, if it breaks, then now it's confirmed we are going up. So at the same time, now the market condition is not favorable for swing trade, so that's why I say let me just do that. So let's continue. Now when I went to the H4, I'll remove this. Let me remove these. Okay, so now most people were taking their sell position yesterday on NZUSD, but then I was seeing buys, you see. So now when you look at this zone right here, before this drop yesterday, and I said, this might be just a pullback. I needed price to pull back and continue going up. In essence, that remember we had an inverse head and shoulder right here, so that was a good conference. So I needed price went up. Then now since we have an inverse head and shoulder, I was expecting a pullback. And now we continue going up. In essence, we have a trend right here. So that is what was on my mind. Okay, so now I went to the 15. That inverse head and shoulder will be clear on that 15 minutes. So let's just hit that. Let me just hit that. Right here we have a left shoulder, of course. Then now this was the head, and now we have a right shoulder. So it was confirmed, guys. You see, now if you kind of see that, my trends, I prefer that they let them pass from the head like this, then now go all the way to the right shoulder. That is now to give us a good trend. So those are the things that I had in mind. Okay, so now price did drop when most people are selling, and I said no, or just continue selling, then I'll be looking for buys. Now when I went, I'm still at the 15, guys. Now at the 15 I also saw an inverse head and shoulder once again. Then say, this is just another conference. Now it's time to take your buy position. Now see, this is the left shoulder, this is the head, right shoulder. Now if it takes this high, let's go. That is now what I saw, and I called that buy position. Okay, you see, that is when market did its thing. See, once again, now this was the H4. I called in for buy. Let's go. Now as usual, the market needs to breathe. So my anticipation was, just a minute, I did not want the market to shoot all the way up. Okay, so this is what I wanted. I needed the market to do this, go up, come back. Okay, then I'll give me a reversal. That is when we go up. And then my stop loss, as you can see, this is SL. Adjust that stop loss from that zone to right here to make it more tighter. That is in essence that if this market gives us this type of a play, let me just do that once again. If this market gave me this type of a play and then breaks, and then now that was confirmed. So if it tries to reverse and take this bottom, then now everything changes. That's why I wanted to be stopped early enough before the market causing much damage. So I needed that to happen. Okay, So but the market did this, never did that, just went all the way up. This is all through the night. Yeah, so now this was some like 35 pips plus, you know, that is 32. We were targeting around 47. Risk to reward ratios 1 to 1. So you see that. See, the market gave me 36 pips. Let's go. I believe that might be the current market price, if I believe so. Yeah, that's the current price. So it's a good trade though. It's a good trade. It was a good run. It was a good run. Something like this. Okay. So now if you see, I told my gang, yo, okay, this is my final account. I was scalping as usual. So I said, yo, like I said, it's a quick scalp and TP1 has been hit. Manage your trades. Remember, I said market is not looking good for swings. That's it. So, yo, 35 pips in is more than a scalp. Oh, it should not be in. It's just like I should have written is. You know, it's more than a scalp. So, oh yeah, it makes sense. 35 pips in, more than a scalp. Yeah, I never saw that. We had that comma. 35 pips in. Yeah, that's more than a scalp. So that's amazing. That's amazing. So guys, that's how we do it. Simple. All right, so feel free, smash that subscribe button. Yeah, and check out my Telegram link in the description. This time I gave the VIP this signal, but then I decided, yo, let me give the public to eat. You know, it's been a while since I gave them something, so they was not angry, yo. So until next time, your amigos, adios.